me, myself, and Maya, and today I'm going to be doing a get to know me. So, my name is Maya Lamon. I am 10 years old. I have 2 pets. My fish just died recently yesterday, so rest in peace, Mr. Window. I have a golden retriever. Her name's Brandy. They're both girls. And I have Katie. She is 5, and she is an American Bulldog, and Brandy is about 13. And I have an older brother. His name is Kyle Lamon, and he's 13. Also, I'm very funny, I'm weird, I'm perky, I'm bubbly, I'm just like, and I am obsessed with Harley Quinn. She's the best of my character. And also, go see Suicide Squad in the movie theaters after this video or anytime you have a free time because it is the bomb. It's just, yeah. And also this Friday coming up, because it's Wednesday right now, 2 more days, I'm going to have a sleepover at my house, and it's going to be a collab with 2 YouTubers. It's a mystery, so you're going to have to find out if you watch my videos and subscribe. So, and also I love acting, so I'm in acting, and I love to sing in the shower and love to freestyle a dance. So I hope you like this video, like and subscribe, and go watch my other videos. And remember, Suicide Squad, movie theaters, spare your time.